Bitcoin retakes $90,000 in break from typical pre-Thanksgiving price action. Just when traders got used to price declines on the Wednesday ahead of Turkey Day, Bitcoin pulled a reversal higher. What to know? Bitcoin moved above $90,000 for the first time in about 1 week during Wednesday afternoon, U.S. trading hours. The action marks a break from what's typically been lower prices. On the day ahead of Thanksgiving, prices remained sharply lower over the past month. A quiet pre-Thanksgiving session turned louder in U.S. afternoon hours, with Bitcoin BTC $89,906.55 managing to regain the $90,000 level after nearly 1 week below that price. Of late, the Wednesday prior to Turkey Day has been a weak one, with declines in 6 of the past 7 years, including massive drops in both 2020. With today's advance, Bitcoin has climbed about 12% since a panicky bottom near $80,000 early last Friday. Still, the world's largest crypto remains lower by 3% over the past week, 21% over the past month, and 28% from its record high of $126,000. The bullish action in Bitcoin these past few days comes as obituaries for the sector flow in from the usual suspects, the latest being a trifecta of gloomy articles from the longtime crypto skeptic Financial Times on Wednesday. At press time, Bitcoin was trading just above $90,000, up nearly 3% over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin volatility is rolling over since hitting the highest level since April this year, as the market is trading on lower volumes. During the week of Thanksgiving, said Jasper DeMayer, desk strategist at Wintermute, thin markets can soften sharp swings. Options data shows many traders expect Bitcoin to hold in a tight band. According to DeMayer, positioning leans toward selling call options and strangles around.
The exchange expects continued options volume growth in IBIT as opportunities for investors to participate in the options markets increase and evolve. It's stated on the filing. The filing includes detailed analysis comparing IBIT's market capitalization, average daily volume, and liquidity to ETFs that already support 1 million contract limits. The exchange also noted that even a fully exercised 1 million contract position would equal about 7.5% of IBIT's float, and only 0.284% of all Bitcoin in existence, a scale it argues poses little risk of market disruption. A second part of the proposal. ICE is seeking to remove position and exercise limits for physically settled Flex IBIT options, aligning them with commodity-based ETFs like SPDR, Gold Trust, GLD, FLIX. Contracts are widely used by large funds for custom hedges and structured exposures. The proposal arrives as BlackRock's IBIT has become the largest venue for Bitcoin options open interest, surpassing Deribit. The SEC is now soliciting public comment on the rule change. October 2025, Go Plus has generated $4.7 million in total revenue across its product lines. The Go Plus app is the primary revenue driver, contributing 2.5M, approx. 53%, followed by the Safe Token protocol at $1.7 million. Go Plus Intelligence's token security API averaged 717 million monthly calls year-to-date in 2025, with a peak of nearly 1 billion calls in February 2025 total. Blockchain-level requests, including transaction simulations, averaged an additional 350 million per month since its January 2025 launch. The $GPS token has registered over $5 billion in total spot volume and $10 billion in derivatives volume in 2025. Monthly spot volume peaked in March 2025 at over $1.1 billion, while derivatives volume peaked the same month at over $4 billion. About this report. This report provides a comprehensive overview of Go Plus Security, a decentralized Web3 security infrastructure designed to deliver real-time, on-chain protection for users, developers, and protocols. Commissioned by GoPlus and produced by CoinDesk Research, the report examines the network's multi-layer architecture, including the security data layer, security compute layer, and Sequare protocol, as well as its core product suite of GoPlus Intelligence, Safe Token Protocol, and the GoPlus app. It offers a neutral, technical, and ecosystem-level assessment of GoPlus's design, token economy, and strategic roadmap, with particular focus on its role in advancing decentralized, AI-driven security solutions and building a scalable security layer for Web3. Executive Summary. Launched in 2020, GoPlus Security is a decentralized Web3 security infrastructure designed to provide real-time protection against on-chain threats and enhance transaction integrity across the blockchain ecosystem. Positioned as a security layer for Web3, GoPlus operates across more than 40 blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and Optimism. Its modular architecture, comprising the security data layer, security compute layer, and Sequare protocol, enables trustless, data-driven intelligence that identifies and mitigates risks across networks and users. As of today, November 27, 2025, the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization remain Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH. Recent market activities shows price fluctuations, with several newer or smaller cap coins experiencing significant daily or weekly gains. Top cryptocurrencies by market cap. The leading coins by market capitalization have largely maintained their positions. Prices are subject to constant change and volatility, so the values below are approximate and recent. Latest news and trends. Market volatility. The overall crypto market has experienced some fluctuation this week, with the total market capitalization seeing a slight decrease over the past 7 days. Though 24-hour trading volumes are up, top performers. In the short term, some tokens have seen substantial gains. Top 24-hour gainers include Dodo, Banana for Scale Bananas 3.1, and Mantra Ohm. Fartcoin has also been a trending coin with significant weekly gains. Major upgrades and institutional interest, network developments, and potential institutional adoption remain key drivers. Solana is planning a major consensus upgrade called the Alpenglow protocol to enhance transaction speeds. There is also ongoing market optimism regarding potential Spot Solana and Dogecoin ETFs in the future. New listings. Recently listed cryptocurrencies on major exchanges include Alora Allo, Lorenzo Protocol Bank, and Kite.
As of today, November 27, 2025, the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization remain Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH. Recent market activity shows price fluctuations, with several newer or smaller cap coins experiencing significant daily or weekly gains. Top cryptocurrencies by market cap. The leading coins by market capitalization have largely maintained their positions. Prices are subject to constant change and volatility, so the values below are approximate and recent. Latest news and trends. Market volatility. The overall crypto market has experienced some fluctuation this week, with the total market capitalization seeing a slight decrease over the past 7 days, though 24-hour trading volumes are up. Top performers. In the short term, some tokens have seen substantial gains. Top 24-hour gainers include Dodo, Banana for Scale Bananas 3.1, and Mantra Ohm. Fartcoin has also been a trending coin with significant weekly gains. Major upgrades and institutional interest, network developments and potential. Institutional adoption remain. Key drivers. Solana is planning a major consensus upgrade called the Alpenglow protocol to enhance transaction speeds. There is also ongoing market optimism regarding potential Spot Solana and Dogecoin ETFs in the future. New listings. Recently listed cryptocurrencies on major exchanges include Alora Allo Lorenzo Protocol Bank and Kite, with ETH's price showing signs of a short-term bounce. Attention is turning to weather. A surge in small trader activity and recent development news can attract larger investors who have so far remained on the sidelines. ETH sees a small daily gain but lags over the month. The price of ETH increased by 3% in the last 24 hours, though this trails the 4% daily gain of competitor. SOL, this recent performance comes after a difficult month in which TH's price declined by 26%. Unkind activity surges among smaller traders. Unkind data shows a significant increase in user engagement, with the number of new traders doubling, 100% and swap volume jumping by 59%. This activity coincides with recent developments, including the launch of a new privacy-focused ignition chain and a registration for a staked Ethereum trust. Selling pressure remains high as large wallets stay inactive, despite the rise in small trader activity. Unkind data indicates that selling pressure exceeds buying pressure, with sellers outnumbering buyers by roughly 3-1 during this same period. Large wallets recorded zero trading volume.